Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I want to talk about Bitcoin, how Bitcoin will overtake gold one day. Okay, so we know guys, gold's market cap is around like over 18 trillion, I believe. Okay, almost 18 trillion. And I'm here to tell you guys, okay, that Bitcoin will overtake gold by market cap very, very soon. Okay, we know gold has been number one for quite some time now, but soon enough, Bitcoin is in fact going to overtake it. And that's exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. But before we talk about that, guys, as usual, I want to give you guys a little update what's happening with Bitcoin today and, of course, the entire crypto market, right? What's happening with altcoins as well. Because we know, guys, okay, alt season, right? Alt season is about to begin. Okay, we know that, guys. Okay, soon enough, we're going to see a lot of these altcoins in the crypto market skyrocketing. So be ready for that. But Bitcoin today, guys, okay, now back above $100,000, right? 101,700 Bitcoin. Okay, so it's looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. Okay, it's above $100,000. Okay, 101,700. So it's looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Okay, still holding up very well, right? Bitcoin today is looking much better than where it was yesterday. The crypto market today, right, slightly up almost 2%. Global crypto market cap sitting at 3.65 trillion. And yeah, past 24 hours, right, Bitcoin is up almost 2%. Ethereum still holding at $3.9 thousand, still holding very strong at 3.9K. XRP today back at $2.50. Okay, it is up over 7% today. So XRP is continuing to pump. Okay, so it's looking pretty good today for XRP. BNB is up over 3%. Dogecoin right now up 1%. Cardano up over 2%. Tron is up, okay, almost 3%. So yeah, it looks like a fair few alts today are slightly up. Okay, Chainlink, okay, is up over 2%. We know Chainlink, okay, a couple of days ago was absolutely skyrocketing. Can you guys clearly see for the past week, it's up 16%. Looking pretty good for Chainlink. Shiba Inu up over 2%. What else is there? XLM today is up 7%. So it seems like XRP and XLM is up over 7% at least. So it's looking pretty good. A fair few alts are pumping today. So it's looking pretty good today for altcoins, right? It really is, guys. Now, speaking about altcoins, we know, guys, like I said, okay, soon enough, alt season is about to begin. I hope you guys are truly ready to see your altcoins skyrocketing, because as I told you guys many times, right, majority of these altcoins, okay, in the crypto market, okay, majority of these altcoins, man, they're gonna skyrocket. Okay, they will skyrocket, guys. Okay, majority of them, okay, they will most likely reach back up to the previous cycle high, okay, previous high, and of course reach a new all-time high. And we have already seen a fair few alts reaching a new all-time high, like Sui and Solana, okay, and many more. But soon enough, things like, I want to say, Cardano, Dogecoin, okay, Chainlink, Avalanche, right, they will reach back up to the previous all-time highs. Even Ethereum, right, we can't forget about Ethereum. So understand, guys, the entire crypto total market cap, man, it's gonna skyrocket. It's gonna obviously reach a new high sometime next year in 2025. Just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. We know, guys, okay, Bitcoin dominance has in fact been dropping, right? Yeah, I just clearly see that broke support. Okay, it's clearly dropping, right? Went back up a little bit a couple of days ago, okay, but it's still down. So obviously this is a great sign, of course, for altcoins. When we see Bitcoin dominance dropping, altcoin dominance rises, and that's when alt season will pretty much begin, guys, right? So get ready for that, okay? So Bitcoin, right? Let's talk about Bitcoin real quick, okay? So Bitcoin is currently testing the first major Fibonacci resistance area, okay? And you just clearly see, once the price breaks above it, the next resistance is near the $155,000 area. So you guys can clearly see we broke, okay, this level, okay, and right now it's pretty much consolidating at this level right now, okay. But once we break that resistance, man, we're gonna see Bitcoin skyrocketing top, like I said, $110,000 to 130 to 150, and over 155, over $150,000, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here, and that's going to be the next target, right? So, guys, I hope you guys are ready for it. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for this because it's going to happen, right? I really do believe next year, early next year, 2025, right? Q1 of 2025, man, we're going to see Bitcoin breaking these levels of 110, 130 to 150 and much, much higher. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Now, look at this, guys. Bitcoin cycle top. A lot of you guys want to know, okay, when will Bitcoin, okay, reach the top? Okay, and as I told you guys many times, sometime next year, 2025, yes, Bitcoin is going to be reaching a top. Who knows when, right? But looking at this, okay, and this is actually very, very interesting. Okay, it's saying here, the 2-month RSI suggests that Bitcoin typically peaks 8 to 10 months after breaking its previous all-time high, right? So it takes about 8 to 10 months after Bitcoin breaks its previous all-time high, typically, right? So once we see that, okay, once we see that breakout, okay, in the next 8 to 10 months, okay, Bitcoin's going to skyrocket and typically reaches a top, right? Then it'll go back down. Okay, understand, guys, we go through different cycles. We go through a bull cycle and a bear cycle, right? It's a 4-year cycle. Okay, we know that. And you guys can clearly see that in this chart, right? So that's why I've been telling guys many times, right? Yes, okay, next year, 2025, Bitcoin is not the only one that's going to be pumping. It's also going to be altcoins. Understand that. And that's why I've been telling guys many, many times. Okay, you have, honestly, okay, you have 6 to 8 months, even 10 months, okay, to really make life-changing money. Or just to make money in general, right? In this crypto market, right? We know, guys, next year, 2025, is going to be absolutely fantastic. Okay, in the next few months, 6, 8, 10 months from now, it's going to be amazing for Bitcoin and altcoins. Understand that, guys. So if you simply want to make money, you better be in the game. Okay, so that is that. But yes, okay, a lot of people think right now Bitcoin is at a top. People, think the cycle top is in. Understand it is not. And looking at this chart, we are just beginning, guys. Okay, this bull run is literally just beginning. We still have, a few months, right? We still have, like I said, 6, 8 months, 10 months left, right? So understand next year, 2025 is going to be absolutely fantastic, right? And understand, guys, when we are in fact in a bull run, we're going to get days where we see corrections. Understand that. It's completely normal. Like I said many, many times. Like, for example, back in 2017 with that bull run, okay, yes, we saw Bitcoin absolutely skyrocketing. But understand, we saw days where we saw corrections. It wasn't all green days, guys. We had red days as well along the way. Okay, so understand, we're going to see corrections. Okay, and that's pretty much what's happening right now with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin right now, we know, okay, a couple of days ago, it did break $100,000. Okay, we know that. And it's pretty much consolidating. It went as high as, $104,000, right? But ever since then, it's just pretty much consolidating right now. But look at this, guys. Like Bitcoin, right? Let it breathe. You know what I mean? Just look at this. Bitcoin is still on track, guys. Okay, it really, really is. Right, so it's still looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Okay, so understand, guys, the cycle top is not in yet. We still have levels to break. Okay, 150, 180, 200k, 250, 280 to even 300k and higher, much, much higher. It is very, very possible, guys. Okay, so get ready for this bull run, okay, that we're currently in right now. Okay, so get ready, guys, because it's going to go much, much higher. Now look at this, guys. Okay, 5 billion asset manager Bitwise predicts Bitcoin will overtake the $18 trillion gold market and be worth $1 million by 2029. Okay, so we know, guys, Bitwise has made a fair few predictions for Bitcoin. Okay, I think they have I've already talked about this a couple of days ago. Bitwise, they have predicted that Bitcoin will be reaching like over $200,000 of this bull run. But like I said many times, personally, I think Bitcoin can reach like 300k and much higher. I think that is very, very possible, right? And they are saying here, okay, that Bitcoin will overtake, okay, gold, okay, gold's market cap, which is almost 18 trillion, okay, as of right now, and Bitcoin will be worth $1 million by the year 2029. And okay, a lot of people out there, the big names out there that are in fact in the Bitcoin space, okay, people that are in fact Bitcoiners, okay, They have said many, many times that, you know, the year 2030, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin at $1 million. People like, for example, Marcus Saylor, people like Kathy Wood, okay. Kathy Wood, she has said, okay, by the year 2030, we're going to see Bitcoin, okay, over $1 million. That's the most like bullish, you know, scenario. Okay, over $1 million. I think it was like almost $1.5 million by the year 2030. Okay, so who knows, guys? Okay, by the year, you know, 2030, will we see Bitcoin, okay, at $1 million and higher? We will just have to see. I think it's very, very possible. Personally, I think it can happen, guys, for sure. Right? So get ready for that, guys. As I've told you guys many times, when you're investing into Bitcoin, you got to think long term. You got to think of Bitcoin as, you know, a long term investment. Okay, Bitcoin is a digital asset that will be worth millions of dollars, not just 1 million. Okay, millions of dollars, guys, one day. So a lot of people out there, they think right now it's too late to buy Bitcoin, and Bitcoin right now is at $100,000. It's too late. I missed the boat on buying Bitcoin. Right? It's too late. I'm not early into Bitcoin anymore. You're wrong. Right? You are early. Bitcoin has only been out for what, over 15 years now, and it's only worth $100,000 per coin. I get it. Right? That is a lot of money, obviously. Okay, but understand, guys. Like I said, Bitcoin is a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars one day, right? In the next 10 years, 20 years, Bitcoin's going to be well above over $1 million. It's going to be worth 3 million, right? 5 million, 10 million, and higher. It's very, very possible. So if you really think about it, owning, okay, just 0.1 Bitcoin, 10% of Bitcoin, that's a big deal. Owning 0.2 Bitcoin, that's a big deal. Even owning like 1% of a Bitcoin, just 0.01 Bitcoin, that's enough too, to be honest with you, right? It really, really is, guys. So get some Bitcoin, guys. Okay, think Bitcoin long term. This is what I always tell you guys: buy Bitcoin and hold it. Do not sell it. We know a lot of institutions, major businesses and companies out there, a lot of different countries, they want a piece of Bitcoin. So you'll be selling your Bitcoins to these guys. Don't sell your Bitcoins to these guys, right? Hold your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most scarce asset out there. It's the hardest money, guys. Okay, it really, really is. But yeah, look at this, right? Top assets by market cap. We know, okay, gold has been on the top leaderboard for the longest time now. And you also clearly see gold's current market cap is almost at 18 trillion. Okay, 17.9 trillion. And Bitcoin right now is at 2 trillion. Soon enough, it's going to overtake Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, and then eventually Apple, and then gold. Okay, so understand, guys, Bitcoin will overtake gold. Okay, it's going to happen. Whether you like it or not, it's going to happen eventually. Okay, we know Bitcoin will be worth $1 million and millions of dollars, right? So it will easily overtake gold by market cap. Understand that, guys. Okay, it's going to happen, right? So that is that. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. More videos will in fact be coming away. Stay tuned for that, and I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.